Lot owner request principles. What do the bylaws say? Check your bylaws first to see if there are bylaw requirements that need to be met when an application is made. The following types of requests are what we see 90% of the time. Renovation requests, hard flooring installation, lot reconfiguration, kitchen. Pet requests, car park storage locker requests, carpet installation, blinds, air conditioning installation. Structural versus cosmetic. A body corporate under a BFP is responsible for the structural integrity of a lot, so you will need to determine if the work a lot owner is undertaking affects any of the structural elements. We recommend you ask the applicant for the following: building and fire sprinkler plans, engineer's report stating what work is or is not structural, Form 15 compliance certificate for building design or specification, Form 16 inspection certificate or aspect certificate. External appearance. On occasion, a lot owner wants to make changes to the external appearance of a building. We recommend you take the following steps when addressing such requests. Check if there is a bylaw that allows you to regulate changes to the external appearance of the scheme. Check if there are architectural guidelines for the scheme and review the application against them. Ask the architect that designed the building for an opinion about the visual impact of the lot owner's request to understand if the request is in keeping with the scheme or detract for the external appearance. Make a decision once you have professional advice. The reason why we recommend this is so the committee has an objective third-party opinion, removing doubt that personal interests play a factor in this decision. Got more questions about this topic? Give us a call on 1-3000-MY-BCM or send us an email at mail@thecommunityco.com.au. We are only a couple of clicks away. This is the Community Co., the next generation of body corporate management. Thanks for watching.